nagpasok kay Katrina sa Circle of 60.
Ito yata guys yung unang meet. Ito yung first meet ni Miss Kat. Ay, di ba
And we talked about it, and it's like maybe. Because why would we let that affect us? What's important is us. What's important is that we're baby, and that's it.
Kaya pala Mr. B and Miss B.
At 26, wala rin dudang kapwa na sila handa sa mas malalaking responsibilidad.
Yes, I think I am. I want to be able to play basketball with my son.
Tungkol naman sa paglilihi, Chris
Yung mga nagka-baby na, pinakita yung parang ganyan talaga. So, sige, okay, it's fine. Because, from me, it's like, I want to be there for her, I can support her, I don't want her to live so much, I don't want her to... Sobrang hiling niya ngayon magluto, which is
tungkol naman sa usapang kasal.
my mother talked to me, my mom called and said, both sides, both parties, they want us to get married. So we talked about it. And we both agreed that we will know when the time is right. We should rush into it as well. So as of now, we're gonna take care of the baby. We're actually ngayon pa lang we're preparing. I've already opened an account for the baby. Yung pang-deliver ng baby nandiyan na. Yung siguro first 6 months ng gatas nandiyan na. Last week I went shopping. I'm in the baby section and I already got some baby clothes. So,
Like most first-time dads, umaasa si Chris na lalaki ang kanyang panganay.
Okay, gagawa tayo ng lalaki!
Ikinuwento ng R&B singer na ilang siya ng unang niyang makita ang kanyang little princess.
Baby's so cute. The baby's healthy. Ang ganda ng mukha niya. Maybe I'm biased, but sobrang cute siya. She's got a head full of hair. Her eyelashes, ang haba ng eyelashes, naka-furlash na.
Kamukha daw ni Katrina ang baby at mas inspired daw ngayon si Chris at determinado para sa kanyang mag-ina.
We're happy. And it's true. Talagang nawawala talaga yung pagod mo. No matter how tired you are, let's say, kanina umaga, it was like 6 or 7, wala pa akong tulog. I was dozing off. I was already going into the dream state because I heard her cry. I woke up and then as soon as I looked at her, I said, "Baby, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?" Nawala. I was awake. I was wide awake. Well, I just wanted to see.
At si Katrina naman, nag-uumapaw ang tuwa sa pagdating ng kanilang baby girl.
Happy po, happy. Pero sabi ka na ito ang pangalan ko.
Katrens ang pangalan ng kanilang baby, halaw sa pinagsamang pangalan ng kanyang magulang. Ilang kay Nick.
Mga 8. Sabi ng tuition ko,
I don't have taping, baby. I can't go to taping because I'm sick.
Net, about Monday.
Okay,